Reolink NVR not detecting cameras. Step-by-step troubleshooting. Fix 1. Power and boot up. Check. Step 1. Cover the lens. If LEDs light up, the camera has power. Step 2. Check NVR Pro port lights. Green, power, steady, orange, data, blinking. Fix 2. Cable and port swap. Step 1. Try a different Ethernet cable. Step 2. Plug the camera into another Pro port on the NVR. Fix 3. Firmware and compatibility. Step 1. Confirm camera model is supported by your NVR. Step 2. Manually update firmware on both camera and NVR from Reolink's site. Fix 4. IP and credentials. Check. Step 1. Ensure camera and NVR are on the same subnet, e.g. 192, 192, 168, 128CX. Step 2. Assign each camera a unique IP address. Step 3. Use correct login. Try admin with a blank password or the one set during setup. Fix 5. Add via NVR UI and reset. Step 1. Stand by the NVR monitor and use the mouse to scan and manually add the camera. Step 2. If previously set up as standalone, reset camera, NVR UI using matching password. Fix 6. Isolate and test. Step 1. Connect a laptop to the camera cable. Step 2. Set laptop IP manually and access camera's web page to confirm connection.